Everything starts with clarity. At the very top, Beyondsure gives you a real-time snapshot of your entire insurance business. Customers onboarded, active leads, and your POSP network updated live every single day. One click is all it takes to switch perspectives. Track your entire firm, zoom into your personal book, or instantly review team performance without Excel, follow-ups, or manual reporting. Go deeper into how business is actually getting closed. See what's coming from online journeys, what's driven offline by your team, and where your next growth opportunity lies. Claims are where trust is built or lost. Beyondsure brings all claim activity into one unified view, helping you stay proactive, responsive, and in control when it matters most to your clients. Understand your business mix instantly. Track premiums insurer-wise, identify your MVP product, negotiate better terms, and make smarter placement decisions, powered by data, not gut feel. This is where growth becomes predictable. Your entire lead funnel across motor, health, and life clearly visualized, so you know exactly where leads drop, convert, or need attention. This is available segment-wise and also status-wise so that you miss out on nothing. When you want details of your clients, they are right here. A single table that replaces multiple tools, giving you complete visibility across your entire client base. Instant accountability built in. See client status, assigned relationship manager, and product type at a glance, so teams stay aligned and actions happen faster. Renewals shouldn't be reminders, they should be revenue. Beyondsure ensures you never miss a renewal, helping you protect your book and grow lifetime value effortlessly. Finally, turn performance into momentum. Identify top performers, track POSP activity, and reward the behaviors that actually drive business, creating a high-performance insurance ecosystem.
Let's proceed with buying a policy online. Let's understand this better with a health insurance example. To buy a policy, navigate to Lead Management on the left and select Buy Online. Here you can choose from various products like life, motor, or travel. For this demo, let's select Health Insurance. To punch a policy, simply enter your client's basic contact details, name, mobile number, and email ID to proceed. Now, enter the specific quote requirements, select the gender, the tenure from 1 to 3 years, and the sum insured ranging from 50k up to 6 crore. Select the family members to be covered and enter the primary date of birth. If you need to correct any details, just use the Edit button here. Once verified, click Submit to generate instant quotes. The system instantly fetches live quotes. You can select up to 5 different plans to compare them side by side. Once compared, you can easily download this comparison as a PDF to share directly with your client. Once you have the quotes, you can instantly share the PDF via WhatsApp or email directly to your client's number. When the client selects a plan, simply click on the quote button to proceed with that specific insurer. Here, you can customize the policy. Select any add-on plans or riders to enhance the coverage based on the client's needs. Before finalizing, you get a wide view of the policy details. Review the inclusions and exclusions tabs to ensure total transparency. You can also download the detailed policy wording and product brochure right here for future reference. The system even provides clear instructions on the claim process, so your client knows exactly what to do in an emergency. Fill this form to complete your KYC. Enter your PAN card number. Select your date of birth. Upload your passport size photograph. Upload your PAN card or Aadhaar card for identity proof. Click Save and proceed to continue. Congratulations! Your data has been successfully verified. Fill your address details as per your Aadhaar card. Proceed to the next step. Enter your bank account number. Enter the IFSC code of your bank. These details are filled as per IRDAI guidelines. Enter your height and weight details. Continue to the next step. Select Yes if you have any existing medical conditions listed below. Enter the nominee details. Continue to review your details. Review all your details carefully. You can proceed with payment or share the payment link with your client. This is the complete journey to buy an insurance policy, simple and fast.